Welcome to Marsara, Magistrate. The equipment demonstration you requested is prepared and may be initiated at your convenience. Simply select Start to begin the demonstration. You may skip the demonstration by selecting Skip Tutorial. The T-280 SCV is the cornerstone of our hostile environment construction and resource gathering operations.
Roger that.
In order to build a thriving colony, numerous SCVs are necessary. You can build additional SCVs at a command center. In order to equip additional personnel, you must have enough additional supply depots required. You can use SCVs to build additional supply depots.
Permission to speak freely, sir. I'm not sure you know what you're doing. If you're going to send us into hostile territory and you want us to defend
Your forces are under
then use
attack.
the attack command. But if you want us to ignore enemy fire and go exactly to the spot you targeted, then use the move command. Now, which'll it be? Rock and roll. Go, go, go. Rock and roll. Go, go, go. Give me something to shoot, Commander. Go, go, go. Commander, go, go, go. Outstanding. Jacked up and good to go.
Additional supply
Jacked up and
depots
good to go.
required.
Go, go, go. Let's move. Rock and roll.
Yes, sir?
Standing by. Standing by. Jacked up and good to go. Rock and roll. Go, go, go. Let's move. Rock and roll.
Not enough
Jacked up and
minerals.
good to go.
SCV good to go, sir.
Commander, let's move. Give me something to shoot. Rock and roll. Give me something to shoot. Commander, outstanding. Commander, rock and roll. Go, go, go. Let's move. Rock and roll. Give me
Your
something to
forces
shoot.
are under attack.
Commander, go, go, go. Outstanding. Commander, give me something to shoot. Jacked up and good to go. Rock and roll.
SCV
Go, go,
good to go,
go.
sir.
Commander, rock and
I
roll.
read you.
Standing by.
Yes, sir? Yes, sir? I read you. Reporting for duty.
Give me something to shoot. Go, go, go. Give me something to shoot. Commander, let's move. Go, go, go. Let's move.
I read you.
Jacked up and good to go. Jacked up and good to go. Outstanding. Go, go, go. Outstanding. Commander, let's move.
SCV good to go, sir. Yes, sir?
Commander, standing by. Standing by. Standing by. Let's move. Rock and roll. Let's move.
Reporting for duty. Roger that. Orders received.
Commander, go, go, go. Let's move.
Reporting for duty. Orders, Captain? SCV good to go, sir.
Commander, jacked up and good to go.
Orders, Captain? Reporting for duty.
Give me something to shoot. Commander,
Job finished.
outstanding.
Yes, sir? Right away, sir.
Not enough minerals. Not enough minerals.
Jacked up and good to go. Go, go, go.
Orders, Captain? SCV good to go, sir.
The refinery processes raw Vespine gas, converting it into a form which your SCVs can gather.
Orders, Captain?
Give me something to shoot. Let's move. Outstanding. Go, go, go. Outstanding. Go, go, go. Commander, standing by. Jacked up and good to go. Go, go, go. Let's move. Standing by. Let's move. Outstanding. Let's
This
move.
concludes the equipment demonstration. There will now be a fully catered reception at Marsara Base.
Go, go, go. Give me some of this shit.
Adjutant online. Good evening, Magistrate. I'll fill you in on what's been happening. Confederate traffic has increased substantially within the system due to the recent Protoss destruction of the Chow Sara colony. The Confederates have tightened security on all outlying systems, and it's likely that this colony will be locked down as well. An encrypted Confederate transmission came for you while you were at dinner. Replaying transmission.
Greetings, Magistrate. I'm General Edmund Duke of the Confederate Security Forces Alpha Squadron. The Confederacy has quarantined this entire planet, and we'll proceed with a lockdown within 48 hours. You're to relocate your core colonists to the outlying wastelands. Now, I know there won't be any problems with these new arrangements.
Transmission ended. I have contacted the local marshal, James Rayner. Rayner has agreed to meet your personnel en route and escort them to the new wasteland site.
Standing by.
Reporting for duty. Affirmative.
Standing by.
Yes, sir.
Jacked up and
I can't
good to
believe
go.
we're being sent to the wasteland. These Confederates think they can push anybody around. Orders, Captain?
Give me some of this shit.
Orders, Captain?
Jacked up and good to go. Rock and roll.
Yes, sir.
Howdy, boys. I'm Jim Rayner, marshal of these parts. This is Jimmy. This should be good.
Your forces are under
This is
attack.
Jimmy.
Jacked up and good to go.
Yes, sir. Affirmative. Roger that.
This
Affirmative.
is Jimmy.
Standing by.
Rayner here. This is Jimmy. This should be good. Right on.
Standing by.
This is Jimmy.
Yes,
Sounds
sir.
fun.
Orders, Captain?
Go ahead, Commander.
Reporting for duty.
Jacked up and good to go.
This is Jimmy.
Oh, yeah.
Go
Your
ahead,
forces are
Commander.
under attack.
Oh, yeah.
Anytime you're ready.
Oh, yeah.
Reporting for duty. Affirmative.
Not enough minerals. Not enough
Right away,
minerals.
sir.
This is Jimmy. Sounds fun. Right on.
SCV good to go, sir.
Sounds fun.
Orders, Captain? I can't build there.
Rayner here. Right on. This should be good. Sounds fun.
Yeah. Commander.
I read you. Orders,
Go
Captain?
ahead, Commander. Right on. This should be good.
Reporting for duty. Yes, sir. Orders received. Yes,
This is
sir.
Jimmy. This should be good. Sounds fun. This should be good.
Oh, yeah.
Sounds fun.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir. I can't build there. Job's finished. Reporting for duty. Roger that.
Go ahead, Commander. This should be good.
Comrades such as Marines can be trained at this facility.
This should be good.
Yes, sir. Roger that.
Raider here. Oh, yeah. Sounds fun. You want a piece of me, boy? Raider here. Raider here. This is Jimmy. Give me something to shoot. Raider here. This is Jimmy. Oh, yeah.
Job's finished.
Raider here.
Orders, Captain?
Anytime you're ready. Standing by. Let's move. This is Jimmy. This is Jimmy. You want a piece of me, boy? You want a piece of me, boy?